Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. I already share one of the biggest hiring opportunity that is related to Med Plus. If you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BC, MCA, you can apply for opportunity 23, 24, 25. So in the video, we will discuss about the exam pattern and hiring process. This is most demanded videos from all of you. Okay, I already shared 3 days ago. That is a direct hiring opportunity. Salary is 6 LPA plus 2 lakh bonus as well. Number of position is 50 and date of test is 20 April. So like and share the video. All videos are for all of you and your one like motivates me to make more video. One most important point, this website is very important. So save this website या इसे बुकमार्क कर लीजिए. द थिंग इज यू हैव टू डाउनलोड हॉल टिकट फ्रॉम दिस वेबसाइट. यू कैन चेक योर एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस फ्रॉम दिस वेबसाइट and if you want to withdraw your application, so there is option as well. Okay, and there is a click on apply now button as well. So currently many of the candidates are saying we can't apply. One most important point that I have to mention, if you already registered, first check status of your registration. Multiple registration by same candidate will result in disqualification of all registration of the candidate. So the thing is, they are not allowing the multiple registration. They are only allowing the one registration at a same time. Okay, so the thing is, here they mention all slots are currently full, please check back later. Okay, means उन्हें जितनी मतलब positions थी. ओके, सो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि उन्होंने पर्टिकुलरली एक स्लॉट्स रखे होंगे कि हमें 500 स्लॉट्स रखने हैं या 1000 स्लॉट्स रखने हैं. तो वो अगर फुल हो गए हैं, सो अभी हम अप्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे. वी हैव टू चेक बैक लेटर. ओके, लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट 3 days ago. I already said that apply for opportunity which I am sharing as soon as possible. So that is very important for all of you. First of all, in the eligibility, if you are from any BE, BTech, ME, MTech, okay, BC, MCA qualification with good analytical coding skills, you can apply. 23, 24, 25 batch can apply and you can required to join by 6th May. Extension of joining date may not possible. So currently March is ongoing. Okay, March, April and May. So in April your examination is scheduled and in the May your joining will be there. So it is a very good opportunity. What is the skills required? You have knowledge of core computer science concepts, that is a CSE related subject like data structures, algorithm, DSA, database, okay, DBMS and operating system, okay, OS. Familiar with programming in Java or Python. They are asking one of the language like you have knowledge in Java or either Python. Okay, familiar with web development using HTML, JavaScript, CSS. So the thing is, they also want to know about your front end, back end related knowledge. Good logical reasoning skills, desire to learn different technology at a rapid pace. Okay, this is skills required. Let's start about the application process. What is the application process? Okay, first of all, date of written test is 20 April. So basically currently 26 March is there and your date of written test. Written test means it is at a particular location. Okay, it is not online, it is at particular location and the date of written test is 20 April. That's why you have to download the hall ticket. It is same as the TCS NQT examination. Okay, like TCS NQT examination as at the particular center. Please click on apply now button on the page and fill your details and submit. Based on the application received, candidate will be shortlisted for written test and they will be informed via email, SMS by 15th April. So the thing is, you done the registration. Okay, like you successfully completed the registration. After that there is a shortlisting process. So okay, shortlisting process में ये हो सकता है कि वो उनके ऊपर पैरामीटर्स है, which factors are they will consider, totally depends on them. And if you are shortlisted for written test, they will be informed via email by 15th April 2025. Shortlisted candidate should download the hall ticket from the website. I already said you have to save or bookmark this website because you have to download the hall ticket. Okay, to gain access to examination venue, the candidate must bring a printout of hall ticket. Okay, so hall ticket का आपको प्रिंट आउट ले जाना पड़ेगा because that is related to your examination. Candidate needs to bring any one of the photo ID proof like Aadhaar, driving license, PAN card, etc. to exam venue. Based on the performance in exam, selected waitlist candidate will be notified via email to attend second round, that is technical and HR round, which round in our office. Okay, so the same written test is also offline. Okay, and the same second round is also offline, that is the technical and HR round. We will not able to send individual regret mail to candidates who are not shortlisted during the selection process. Okay, so the thing is वो एग्ज़ाम के बाद आपको नहीं बता पाएंगे, सिर्फ ये बता पाएंगे कि आप एग्ज़ाम के लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए कि नहीं हुए. मीन्स सपोज लाइक यू डन योर रजिस्ट्रेशन. ओके, सो शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होगी तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपको एग्ज़ाम देना है या नहीं देना है. ओके, मीन्स यू आर शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फॉर एग्ज़ाम और नॉट. So let's discuss about the exam pattern or evaluation process. The first round is written test. Okay, so we can divide in like this. Okay, there is a round 1 and there is a round 2. Okay, so what is this? So the round 1 is written test and it is of 90 minutes. Okay, and round 2 is in person, that is a technical. So written test 90 minute, multiple choice question and fill in the blanks type question will be there. Okay, so fine, MCQ will be there and the fill in the blanks will be there. Compromising of general aptitude. General aptitude we can consider as a numerical aptitude, verbal aptitude or logical reasoning. Okay, numerical aptitude, okay, logical, they clearly mention core computer science and programming. Okay, core computer science and programming concept including bitwise operator. Okay, operating system concept, data structure, string manipulation, OOPS, basics of database, SQL and basics of web technology. Okay, SQL and basics of web technology. Section B is related to coding test, compromise of two problem for which code pseudocodes need to be written. First section is MCQ. Okay, and in the MCQ there is a aptitude part, there is a core computer science programming part. Okay, core computer science is CSE part, in which bitwise operator, operating system concept, data structure, string manipulation, others are there. Okay, this is section number A. Section number B is related to coding test, in which two coding problems are there. Okay, we can say that two coding questions are there. And one most important point that I have to mention, the technical and HR interview round will be in person. Okay, so that is one most important point. Okay, so what is the free preparation resources? No need to worry about that, just go to IndiaBix website. Okay, when you go to the IndiaBix website, so you will find 1000 aptitude question of arithmetic aptitude. Okay, and you can find the logical reasoning as well, and GFG aptitude mock test, you can search like this. So you will find the mock test for the particularly cons aptitude, for the logical reasoning and for. Okay, so you can find the topic wise multiple choice question in computer science, where you will find the C programming test, algorithm, operating system, C++, Java, Python. Okay, DBMS, computer design aptitude, computer organization, architecture, everything is there. Okay, so the thing is you can find the specific things like data structure related, OOPS related, SQL and basics of web technology. I am giving you those two websites. One of the website is Sen Foundry website, that is very helpful for everyone. Okay, Sen Foundry website and GFG website. Okay, Java T Point website, that is for the CSE related concept. This will cover the CSE. And IndiaBix website is related to aptitude. Okay, IndiaBix website is related to aptitude. And for the coding problem, I suggest everyone to, you can go to HackerRank or HackerEarth and you have to practice coding question. And I suggest everyone to as well, like you can go to YouTube as well and you can search the previous year question of Med Plus. Okay, if the coding question is available, practice that question from the YouTube. That is very important. And candidates need to meet the cutoff criteria for section A and section B individually to be eligible for selection. Means there is a cutoff. Okay, that is a overall cutoff. Overall cutoff means sectional wise and overall cutoff will be there. Section A performance is very important and section B performance is very important. The thing is, they clearly mention written test of 90 minutes are there, multiple choice question in that. Okay, how many number of question and the time they will mention in the admit card, or we can say that in the upcoming mail. Okay, round 2 is in person, that is a technical and HR assessment. Shortlisted selected candidates will be notified through emails and call. Okay, so this is the exam venue for round 1 written test only. As I already said, your round 1 is written test. Okay, and written test is also offline. Okay, So offline at a particular center, it is at the Hyderabad location. Venue is Saint Theresa Secondary School and address is this Hyderabad, Telangana, and it is pin code mentioned and map navigate to location. Okay, so you have to go to this place, okay, for attending the examination when you received the shortlisted mail that you are shortlisted for the particular opportunity. Compensation is CTC of 6 lakh per annum plus 2 lakh bonus. The above mentioned bonus will be paid after completion 2 years with the company. There will be service agreement of 2 years with the company. All selected candidate will be eligible for annual performance appraisal leading to suitable salary increment at the end of first year. Work location is Madhopur, Hyderabad, and full-time work from office only. This is the complete process, or we can say that this is a hiring process of MedPlus. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video and prepare from here. Okay, GFG website is one of the good website for the computer science subjects and fundamental, same as for the Sen Foundry. When you go to the Sen Foundry computer science topics Sen Foundry, okay, so you can found the computer science MCQ with there. Okay, you will find operating system, computer network, data structure MCQ, DBMS MCQ, software MCQ. Everything is present on this website for free. Okay, so you can prepare from this. I am sharing the link is in the description. Okay, link is in the comment section or description. Thanks for watching the video.